Imagine a river, its water almost as acidic as lemon juice. Most of us would think no living thing could survive in such an environment. However, the Rio Tinto River in southwestern Spain is rewriting the rules of nature. At first glance, its blood-red color has captivated people for centuries. It was once thought that its color was solely due to minerals, but scientists, upon closer inspection, discovered a far more surprising fact. Millions of microorganisms, invisible to the naked eye, lived in this red water. And these weren't ordinary creatures. Acid-loving bacteria, archaea, and single-celled eukaryotes had made this environment, which humans would consider deadly, their home. With a pH of approximately 2, the river contains dissolved minerals rich in iron and sulfur. While these conditions seem impossible for many living things, the microorganisms living here have managed to adapt to this harsh environment for millions of years. Some don't need sunlight to generate energy. Instead, they sustain their lives by using iron and sulfur compounds in the water. This process not only ensures their survival, but also affects the river's chemical composition and its characteristic red color. Under a microscope, Rio Tinto is like an invisible city. Iron-oxidizing bacteria, acid-loving algae, yeast-like fungi, and various protists share the same environment. Each is a small but essential part of the ecosystem. Thanks to these organisms, scientists have begun to reevaluate the limits of life. Because if life can exist in such an acidic and heavy metal-filled environment, it strengthens the idea that life could have arisen in similar conditions outside of Earth. That's why Rio Tinto has become one of the most researched places, not only by biologists, but also by astrobiologists. NASA and the European Space Agency are studying it as a natural laboratory to understand possible life conditions on Mars. Ancient iron minerals on the Martian surface and evidence of past water show striking similarities to Rio Tinto. By studying the single-celled organisms living here, scientists are learning which clues to follow when searching for life on other planets. Perhaps the first sign of life discovered on Mars in the future will resemble the microscopic organisms in Rio Tinto. But this river reintroduces us not only to space, but also to our own planet. The creatures we cannot see prove how life finds its way even in the harshest conditions on Earth. This red-flowing river is also a vast microscopic ecosystem. Besides its silence, it is invisible yet incredibly alive. Perhaps nature's greatest secrets are hidden within the smallest creatures.